Hello guys, welcome back to my lesson. In this video, we've been practice about the proportion, and this is new definition. And if you cannot understand about what does it mean proportion, you can see the theory video in the previous one. So for this question, for this video, we've been practice some exercise about proportion, fundamental exercise first. This is very easy. The question asks you about write 8 sentences as a proportion. Okay, so what does that mean? You have the two number in the left hand side and two number in the right hand side present for the first fraction and present for the second fraction, and they have to put they have to be equal together. So the first question here for 244, the s here is mean equal together. So you got 4 over 4 is to 15 is mean 4 over 15 have to be equal to 36 over 135. Yeah, that is the proportion. And 245, 7 is to 9 is mean 7 over 9. S equal 35 is to 45 over 45. 2, 4, 6, 12 over 5 equal to 96 over 40. And 2, 4, 7, this means 15 over 8 equal to 75 over 40. Next one, 248, you got 5 over 7 and 115 over 161. And the next one, 249, you got 4 over 9 equal to 36 over 81. Yeah, 4 win in 9 games, 36 win in 81 games. Okay, that means proportion from the word problem. The next question is here, you got 250, okay? 250, 8 to 1, S, you got the word S here, 48 over 6, 251, 6 over 1 will be 48 over 8. 252, 9.36 over 18 will be equal to 2.6 over 5. 253, 3.92 over 8 will be 1.47 over 3. 245, 18.04, 11 will be equal to 4.92 over 3. And the last one, you got 255. 12.42 over 27 will be 5.52 over 12. Yes, okay, so we finish this one. Word problem converts from word problem become to the proportion. And the next question is about determine whether each equation is a proportion. So what does that mean? You got the proportion or equivalent fraction like this, and we will use cross product like this. You got the the left hand side numerator multiply with denominator of right hand side, and the denominator of left hand side will be multiplied with the numerator of fraction right hand side. It have to be equal together. So if you got this one will be satisfied, means this fraction or this ratio are proportion. Okay, so let me try this one first. 256 cross line will tell you that 7 multiply 120 and 15 multiply 56. Is that true or false? Yes or no? Let's check this out. This one will be 840, and then another one will be this one. Okay, so because this is equal together, and yes, this is proportion. About 257 multiply 5 times 108 cross line have to be equal to 12 times 45. Is that true or false? Yes or no? We got here is 540, and the other side will be 540. Okay, yes, this is also be the proportion. 58 cross line 11 and 16. 11 times 16, and then compare to 6 multiply 21. 176, and then 6 times 21, that is 126. No, this is not proportion because left hand side and the right hand side are not equal together. 259. Okay, 9 multiply 34 and compare to 4 multiply 39. Yes, okay, 9 times 30 for 306. The other one will be 156. So no, this is not proportion. The next question is 260. 260 cross line, you got 12 times 7.56 and compare to 18 multiply 499. Okay, 12 times 7.656 here is 19.72 compared to 18 times 4.99. You got 89.92. Yeah, this cannot be the proportion. And the last one, 9 multiply 3.89 and then 16 multiply 2.16. Okay, compare together. You have here is 35.01 and 16 times 2.16 here is mean 34.56. Yeah, no, that cannot be proportion. Okay, we finished this one. And the last two questions, 262 cross line. How about this one? 13.5 multiply 19.55 and 8.5 compared to 31.05. What is the result for the left hand side? You got is 263.925, and about the right hand side 8.5 multiply 31.05, 263 times 2.92 and 5. Yes, okay, so this question is yes. 263 and cross line, you will take 10.1 multiply 2.52, 8.4 times 3.03. Yeah, 10.1 times 2.52 we have is 25.45 and 2. 8.4 times 3.0 here is mean 25.45 and 2. Of course, they are the same number, so this is proportion.